You may sometimes see an Apple Card error message saying unexpected error. This guide lists several steps on how you can troubleshoot this Apple Card. Method 1. Check Apple Card status. Problem may be a temporary issue because the Apple Card servers may be experiencing issues. Go to Apple's system status page and check that the Apple Card servers are up and running. If they are not working, this means that the only thing you can do is to wait for Apple to address the issue. Method 2. Force restart your device. Force restarting your device may fix this problem and you can start downloading your transactions or add your card. After force restarting your iPhone, test your problem. Method 3. Update your device. Ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS or iPadOS software. On your device, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Your device will check for updates. If there is an update, tap Download and Install and then follow the on-screen instructions. After updating your device, again open the Wallet app. Does this problem occur? Method 4. Download statements online. If you are unable to download your statements in the Wallet app due to this unexpected error issue, you may also try downloading them online. This online service lets you download your PDF statements. Here is how you can do this. Visit the website, click the Sign In button. You will need your Apple ID and password to sign in. Enter it. Click Statements.
Select a month and then click the download link. Method 5. Contact Apple and Goldman Sachs Bank. Apple Cards are issued by Goldman Sachs Bank. You may want to contact Apple and Goldman Sachs Bank. You may want to contact both of them. You can easily chat with an Apple Card specialist. You can also call Apple Card support. Here is how. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the three-dot icon, top right corner of the screen. Then select Message or Call. You can also directly call Goldman Sachs Bank. Its number is 1-877-255-5923.